Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Starkey Farmstead. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're just going to show you a very, very easy and quick meal that you can make for your family using the chicken you just butchered. So yesterday, if you caught our film, we actually show you how to slaughter a chicken. We did not go into how to clean it and butcher it. We'll have videos upcoming on that. This video is solely focused on me learning how to slaughter a chicken. And that might not seem like much to some of you, but since I came out of a different world than the one I'm currently in, it was a big deal to me, and I'm really proud of myself. So today, it was my goal and my privilege to cook those chickens, and it was amazing. My husband is hilarious. Of course, he always wants Tony Chachere's on everything. So, like I said, it's a very quick video. It took me under 20 minutes to heat the, I had a squash casserole that I cooked 2 nights ago. We did a little 60-second short on that, and it was amazing. And I just chopped up some fresh cucumber for him, salt and peppered it, and I did some noodles, and I poured all of the juices left over from cooking the chicken into the noodles. And so that was our meal, because I did not feed him or myself prior to church because I fed the animals and I just didn't feel like cooking breakfast. I'm kind of one of those, if you're hungry and I don't cook, go feed yourself. So, but I did have a lot of fun cooking this meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, please comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to hear what you do with your farm fresh chicken, because this is new to me, and I have to say, guys, wow. Chicken that you raise is 1,000 times more juicy and flavorful than the mess that you get in a supermarket. So I hope that you enjoy this. You guys have a blessed Sunday. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and season your chicken breast and tenders however you want to do it. Obviously, this is what I'm gonna use. Some organic rosemary, parsley flakes, black pepper, organic garlic, Himalayan pink salt, homegrown organic jalapenos, and some lemon juice. Over here in the cast iron skillet, I have the butter warming up. I'm gonna cook this for 3 to 4 minutes, flipping as I need to. Then I'm gonna take it out, dice up my garlic, dump that in with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I'll put the meat back in for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna pour the juice that's left over from the skillet into the noodles that I'm fixing to be boiling. And that, along with a cut up organic cucumber and tomato and a squash casserole that I'm heating up in the oven, is going to be our after Sunday lunch. Let your chicken rest for about 2.5 minutes while you saute I have a little tiny red bell pepper, guys. I'm just gonna throw this in here with this red jalapeno and this organic garlic with a little extra butter. Noodles are going. Got what I need in my oven heating up, our squash casserole. I'm just gonna let this saute a little bit. Then I'm gonna toss my chicken back on top of that. And then I'm gonna pour this, guys, on top of the noodles, right? Season it however you want. I went and added a little paprika to mine, because I just like the flavor of paprika anytime I'm doing anything with chicken. All right, let me dice that up and get that in, guys. These are naked chicken breast and tenders. We skin, we do not pluck. So we just slaughtered out and butchered these chicken yesterday. Here are the noodles, everything. After I removed the chicken out of the cast iron skillet, everything went into the pot. Added a little bit of Tony's, because you know, we're from South Louisiana and you gotta have your Tony's on everything. Let me pull this casserole that I was heating up out of this oven and get my husband in here and feed him, because we did not eat before church. So this was exactly about 20 minutes of prep time and cook time combined. And now we're gonna have a full meal. So you guys have a blessed day, and I hope you enjoyed this really quick recipe for your farm fresh chicken that you raised. All right, take a bite. Honestly, tell me what you think.
Chicken's good. Okay, chicken was good. It needed more Tony's. Needed seasoning.
It needed Tony's. Tony's is the only thing that you put on it. So
I put Tony's on it because it's the only seasoning that you need.
Okay, so it needed Tony's seasoning.
It needed Tony's seasoning, and it was good after that.
All right, how did you feel about store-bought chicken versus farm fresh chicken?
It's all meat to me.
No, we were just sitting there discussing that. Don't pull that was all meat. And you even said it was more what?
Juicy.
It was more juicy.
Yeah.
Way more juicy.
Yeah, it's more juicy because it's not setting up in, well, it's not in the freezer
for months and
for months at a time. And hell, we just killed those yesterday.
Yeah, we just killed them yesterday. So tell everybody, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I'm going to take a nap.